Hello, here is Dinar and you are watching a video digest in which we cover the most important events in the history of the string transport development and Skyworld community company over the past weeks. In this release, string transport inventor Anatoli Yunitsky spoke about the project's new achievements. The installation of string rails has started at the testing center in Sharjah. The UK publication Railway Technology has published an article on the advantages of the passenger string transport. And now more about these events. Traditionally, we start with the most interesting news. The inventor of the string transport, Anatoli Yunitsky, gave an interview from his office in Dubai. The engineer spoke about commercial projects and the new rolling stock model. According to the inventor, more than 100 delegations visited the testing center in Sharjah during Expo 2020. Some of them became starting points for commercial projects. There began active work which required the personal presence of Anatoli Yunitsky. The engineer also introduced a new model of passenger transport. It is now being tested in Belarus, and after that it will be taken to the testing center in Sharjah. Among the main changes is the design and the reclining sliding type of doors. Please read our news to get to know more details from the interview with Anatoli Yunitsky. The link is in the description below the video. Project specialists have started installing the track structure on line 4 at the testing center in Sharjah. The first stage of the work is unwinding the steel cables that will form the basis of the semi-rigid rail. We remind you that a string rail consists of several elements. Protection against external influences and current transfer is provided by the composite housing. Inside it there are wires made from bundles of steel wire. They make the tracks resistant to loads. In order to speed up the unwinding process and cut costs, the specialists use construction machinery and a special trolley on which a reel of rope is attached. Each bundle is placed in a strictly designated place so that nothing gets mixed up. To date, the installation of the anchor units on track number 4 has been completed, and all the cables have been unwound. In the next stage, the specialists will work on tensioning the cables. We end with a look at what the media have written about the project. An article on the main advantages of the passenger string transport was published by the British publication Railway Technology. First and foremost, the journalists highlighted the safety of the technology. The string transport moves above the ground, so it is in no danger of colliding with other vehicles. The autopilot controls the speed and route. That allows to avoid accidents that happen due to human inattention. An equally important advantage is environmental friendliness. There is no need to disturb the landscape or dry up water bodies for building a string rail flyover. The transport runs on the track with the help of an electric motor. Unlike a petrol engine, it produces no harmful emissions. The summary of the Railway Technologies article is available on our website. The link is in the description. That has been all news for today. Subscribe to the SWC YouTube channel and enable notifications for not missing future releases of the video digest. See you later!